And we're back. Back again, back again. I'm very excited about this. So, we have a whole bunch of energy drinks to try. So the first one I'm gonna try, this is Rainstorm Tropical. Let's go. It just smells like pineapple. Let's give it a try. Yep, it tastes like orange mixed with pineapple. If there was a guava in there, it would be pog juice and then we could Disneyfy it. But it just tastes like orange and pineapple. It's actually really, really good. So the next is from Ghost. From Ghosty. It's a Strabango. So I assume it's gonna be strawberry and mango. This is only intended for persons 18 years and older. So all you youngins, don't even think about it. Forget it. Forget it exists. Bye. Yeah, I just see a strawberry and a mango on the packaging, so let's give it a shot. Let's go. Ooh, that was very satisfying. Very satisfying. It just smells like mango. My cameraman's gonna hate this one. So it starts off as mango. It starts off as mango and then slaps you in the face with strawberry. So it is quite Strabango. It's really good. I happen to really like both of those flavors, so I'm all here for it. I would drink the rest of this right now, but I have 3 more drinks to try. So I will just hold on to it. We'll just go off camera for a minute. Again, if you saw my other short where I did energy drinks, I was highly disappointed, because they said that their energy drink was sour green apple. This is Warhead's sour green apple. Pretty sure I've tried it before, but I'm gonna try it again because why not? We love sour and we love green apple and it's the best. All good things. It can't be bad. Very satisfying. They're getting better. Ooh, smells like Warheads. So good. This is what every sour green apple needs to taste like. It even makes my mouth water a little bit. I like it a lot. It's really, really good. We're gonna go with the next Ghost. This is Ghost Welch's Grape. Not grape soda, not grape juice, just grape. Let's give it a try. Oh, they're getting better. So satisfying. Woo! It smells very purple. Let's go for it. Ooh, that's actually really good. Tastes like grape juice. Tastes like Welch's grape juice. It does not disappoint. Also, the best part is it's not purple. So if you accidentally spill on your lovely cream-colored Oreo Coke hoodie, there's no worry, because it's not gonna stain like actual grape juice. If you like grape, check it out. Is this real? Is this a real thing? I've never seen this color monster before. And I saw it and I went, oh my God, it's real. I need to try this. This is the Monster Energy Zero Sugar Ultra Blue Hawaiian. And let me tell you, the art is fabulous. Got a tiki on here, got a lady on there with a shrunken head, as you do. Duh. It does say unleash the Ultra Beast. Whether you're in beast mode, vacay mode, or just chillin' island style, Ultra Blue Hawaiian will fire you up to be your best. Light, crisp, and super easy drinking. A tropical tiki twist. Blue Hawaiian is a killer combo of exotic Polynesian fruit flavors that are big on taste, but with zero sugar. With a full load of our world-famous Monster Energy Drink blend, this Aloha energy will keep you going and the shagas flowing from Dawn Patrol to Last Call. Unleash the Ultra Beast. This is why I read all the small print, because it's great. I'm gonna open this now. Now that we've all giggled ridiculously. Oh, that's the best one yet. It's so good. Kind of just tastes like pineapple. You know when you have fruit cocktail, but like juice? Yeah, the juice that comes in fruit cocktail, which is very not healthy, by the way. That's what it smells like. Just kind of, tastes like the juice. Yeah, that tastes like the juice from fruit cocktail. Not the fruit, just the juice from the fruit cocktail. So, if you're into tropical flavors, I would get the Rainstorm Tropical one, to be honest, it's way better. I mean, tiki mask, sharks, hula lady with the shrunken head. There's a volcano on there as well. It's great. So, the can art is fabulous. Which one do you think you would like the most? Some more energy drinks that I haven't tried before. I'm not sure these ones are new, but I know I haven't found them before, so they're new to me. And these ones are both new and absolutely hilarious. We'll go with the Ghosties first. Ooh, smells like cherry, so that's a good sign. Ooh, that's good. That's a really good black cherry flavor. I couldn't describe to you the difference between cherry and black cherry because it's so subtle, but it's definitely a black cherry. I wouldn't really consider it sour. It's more of like a new Warheads flavor versus an old Warheads sour, but it's still really good. Doesn't disappoint. All right, this is Swedish fish. Give it a try. Oh, it smells like a gummy. Oh, it's very bubbly. Yep, it solidly tastes like a red Swedish fish, which sounds weird, but it's perfectly encapsulated in this drink, which is funny because I don't actually love Swedish fish. This is actually really good. Once again, Ghost coming out on top. Do not disappoint. Does not disappoint. Okay, so now these are from Bum Energy. That's right. I said that. Bum Energy. This one's flavor is Dr. Bum. That's right. And this one is blueberry lemonade because, you can only have one silly flavor. But don't worry, we have a whole paragraph to read. So let's go for it. Wake up early and chase greatness. Dream so big that it scares you. The journey greater than sign, the reward. These are all individual sentences apparently, because what? Expect less and hope more. You'll be happier. Take risks. The stories will be worth it. That sounds like bad advice. Love your mom so much that you tattoo it on your arm. That definitely is bad advice. Don't do that. No need. Life can be tough. Take it one day at a time. Don't be a bum. Drink Bum Energy. Weird promo on the side of this can. Let's try the Dr. Bum flavor. I'm assuming, just a guess, that this is gonna be, let's go open. Assuming this is gonna be like a Dr. Pepper-esque sort of. You can tell they're trying. Okay, it tastes better than it smells. It tastes like a diet Dr. Pepper that you've had ice in, and you're at the very bottoms of the cup. So it's kind of a little bit watered down, but it kind of tastes like Dr. Pepper, but it's diet, so it doesn't quite taste like it, but it's there. It's like over there in the other room. There's my Dr. Pepper. That's kind of what it tastes like. It's okay. Oh yeah, we got the Bum Energies at Circle K. I haven't seen Bum Energy before. One bum is roughly equivalent to 12 ounces of coffee. Natural caffeine from coffee bean. So this is the blueberry lemonade. I've often found that blueberry lemonade is very that's very satisfying. It's very hit or miss flavor. Sometimes it's right on, and sometimes it's like, it's more blueberry than lemonade, or vice versa. Yeah, smells like blueberry. I'm not getting a ton of lemonade. Definitely like a hint of blueberry. If you're going for a blueberry lemonade energy drink, I would go with Amino Energy. They seem to hit the blueberry lemonade concoction right out of the park. Not bad. Overall, I'd say not bad. If you're really looking for good flavor with your energy drinks, stick to Ghosts. Bum Energies are okay. If you're really into Dr. Pepper flavored drinks, check out the Bum Energy. Check them out. And check me out. If you like these, check out all my other drink reviews I did. I tasted some toxic waste energy drinks that didn't taste like really anything. So these, I believe, are very new. These are from Starbucks. They're getting into the energy drink game. These are Starbucks Ice Energy. So watermelon twist, that's this pink one. This one is tropical peach, and this one is blueberry lemonade. These all have more caffeine than the Red Bulls over my shoulder, which if you want to see me taste those, check out my channel. As far as I know, these are the only flavors. Let's give it a shot. All right, so watermelon with a twist of lime. How deceptive. It smells like watermelon candy. So Jolly Rancher watermelon. However, it just kind of tastes like nothing. Really, nothing. Water. Spit what this tastes like. Watermelon. Meh. So this one is the juicy flavors of peach with a hint of tropical fruit. It's there. It's definitely peachy. It tastes a bit like if you have a sparkling water where you're like, yeah, I'm drinking water with a hint, just a whiff of flavor. That's a bit what this tastes like. Just getting a whiff of peach. It is quite refreshing though. That is the most flavor, blueberry lemonade. It is. It's a very good balance of blueberry and lemonade. That's the best one. This one wins. Blueberry lemonade. It's the winner. Other than that, meh, they're okay. If you're a fan of Starbies, go for it. Even more energy drinks from Aldi. They're from their Summit, just Summit brand. These ones are called Red Thunder. Definitely not Red Bull knockoffs. I mean imitation. Definitely not. You want to see a whole rainbow of Red Bull? Check out the video that I just did. It's great. These ones, I'm not sure what they're supposed to be. They're just called energy drink. Because this one's tropical waves, pineapple and starfruit. All the fruits, I'm sure is what it'll taste like. And this one is berry waves, blue raspberry energy drink. Let's start with the Red Thunders. This one is the strawberry apricot. Ooh, it's got quite a bit more flavor than the Red Bull variety. More like artificial strawberry, and then more of like a whiff of apricot when you smell it. This one is the weirdest flavor ever. Still to this day, I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. It's Juneberry. Generic berry. Like a cranberry mixed with something. I can't put my finger on it. It's very strange. It's just a, berry flavor. This one is just tropical waves, pineapple and starfruit. So let's give it a try. Smells like pineapple. Tastes like pineapple. Mostly pineapple. It's not bad. If you like pineapple or like tropical-y flavors. This one is berry waves. No, this one's just berry. Yup. That one's just berry. It's not raspberry. It's not blueberry. It's a bit blueberry-y. Just berries. It's like all the berries. Shove them in there. Good to go. I would get the waves, not the thunders. These are from Rise. But will they rise to the top? We'll see. These are new. Again, I've never seen them before. Maybe they're new, maybe they're not new. I don't know. This one, I think, is grape Kool-Aid. It's just purple and Kool-Aid. Purple Kool-Aid, that's what we're going with. Well, doesn't say. Just Kool-Aid. This one, Arctic Berry. So definitely looks like blueberries on the front. Arctic blueberries. We'll see. We love a good random description. We're gonna try the Kool-Aid one first. Oh yeah. This is totally grape Kool-Aid. Let's see how it compares to the Welch's grape. Check that out. Ooh, oh, whoa. So this tastes just like Kool-Aid, like a grape Kool-Aid. So now they have Arctic berry. So I don't know what it is. It smells like generic berry. One more drink for science. I know what it tastes like. This tastes like what every other drink is called frozen bombsicle. So it's like frozen, or it's like a bomb pop-esque flavor. These will be great for the summer. Hopefully they'll stick around longer than that, but we'll see. I have 2 peachy energy drinks. So this one's from Ghost. This one's just called Peaches. Nice and simple. This one is from Alani New, and it is called Juicy Peach. Let's give it a try. We'll try the Alani first. Ooh, that was a good one. Interesting. Does it really smell like peach? Kind of smells like cleaning fluid. Interesting. There's the peach. There you are, Peach. Found you. It really just tastes like peach, which is great. Now we're gonna go, it's going head to head with a Ghost. It smells much more peachy. It smells a lot more like Peachios than this one. This one doesn't smell like anything, but it had a good peach flavor. So give it a shot. Ooh, that's more sweet. Okay, if you like peaches, like you wanna bite into a peach, eat it. Cameron's making faces. Either of these are great. I think they're roughly the same price depending on where you find them. So if you want more for your money, get the Ghosty. Give them a try. Bye.